Okay, so the second feature that comes with the version 3 editors is sort of a sound design feature. You access it by hitting the program dropdown. It's called the Interpolator. Basically, what this allows you to do is kind of cross-breed two different presets and dial in a sweet spot in between those two presets. I'm just going to show you how it works. You have a source and a destination. And you have a couple options when you click on these buttons. You have pick up current. That means basically just use the current preset that I've got going on right now, which is detune saw lead. And I'm going to have a destination, and you have pickup current and pickup PM selected. Pickup PM selected means you can go into your programs and select a program and just say pickup PM selected. And it's going to load that. And a keys right there. So that's what you just heard is detune saw lead. When this knob is all the way at 0, all the way to the leftmost position, you're hearing the top preset. When it's all the way to the right, you're hearing Anna keys. 100%, you're hearing this other preset. So you can watch how this happens. As I kind of sweep this, it's basically merging all the settings for these two presets. So what I can do is basically find a whole new sound that, I couldn't think of, as if I were starting from scratch. There's a equal mix between these two settings. It doesn't sound anything like that. It doesn't sound anything like that. It sounds like something totally new. Now, as you can hear, the tune got a little thrown off. You can set it up again. And basically, once I get this set up again, okay, you can lock this. So as you're scanning, it's going to keep the tune the same. Nothing gets thrown out of tune as it's trying to morph from one preset to the next. Like that. I never would have thought of that if I was working from scratch. Totally detuned, wobbly sound. Again, nothing like the original preset. Nothing like the second preset. Sounds cool, and then I could save that as a preset. It's an amazing idea just for creating new sounds. When you're working from scratch, you kind of tend to be really in my case, I tend to be really analytical. I'm thinking, I know I want this sound, but there's plenty of times where I'm thinking, I kind of just want to roll the dice. I want to play preset roulette and just hear something that I never would have thought of and be surprised. Interpolate is a great way to arrive at a destination, that you didn't have predetermined.